Hello, this is Tom Campbell. I will be holding a one-day MBT event in Stuttgart, Germany on Sunday, March 17th, 2019. This event is most likely going to be the only event that we're going to do in Europe for 2019 to 2020, except one that we're going to do in Italy, but that is going to be quite different. That is going to be an intense workshop on me helping you learn how to get around and explore the larger conscious system. This event on the 17th of March will be, I'll begin with take a few minutes, maybe 10, 15 minutes to give you status of the experiments. We will have some information on results of those experiments by that time, I think. And I'll give you the updates of what we are finding out. The event is going to be for CUSAC. Now, CUSAC is Center for the Unification of Science and Consciousness. CUSAC is a not-for-profit corporation that I have created in order to fund the experiments initially, but in a larger idea, it's also there to fund others, to help us produce educational videos, and in general, to help spread the word about consciousness and physics and how the two actually connect to each other. If you want to know more about this event, go to www.mbtevents.com. You will find Keith and Donna there. They will answer all your questions about the details of what's going to happen, how it's going to take place, and where, and so on. 100% of all of the money that we raise in this event, minus expenses, will go to CUSAC, will go to fund this Center for the Unification of Science and Consciousness. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the program that's going to be presented here on the 17th of March. It's not going to be a general introduction to MBT. I've done that enough. You can find that already on YouTube. There's some 500 and some videos on YouTube that will explain MBT in great detail, although those are all in English. We were going to begin the program with Evelyn and her children give a demonstration and a little explanation of how to see without your eyes. Okay, we've invited her and some children to come to give a little demo. This will only take about a half an hour, but it will give you a chance to view this in person, live. Oliver did a video on it. You can go and look at Oliver's video, and I did a commentary on it that explains exactly how that works. But seeing it live is better than watching the movie. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to learn a lot. I'm going to answer your questions. This will be Q&A all day with me, except for the very short period that Evelyn and her children will be there. And I'm open to all questions. Anything that you don't understand about MBT or any of your personal questions about how to apply MBT to your life, I will be there and will answer them. Well, I hope to see you in Stuttgart on March 17th. Thank you.